Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Jack who traded his cow for magic beans. Jack got into big trouble. One day, his mother asked him to milk their old cow, but Jack did not want to do it. He said, "No way. I don't want to milk this cow anymore." Jack decided to sell the cow instead. He thought it was a good idea. On his way to the market, Jack met a peddler. The peddler was a friendly man. Jack said, "Hello, Mr. Peddler." The peddler asked, "Where you going?" Jack replied, "I'm taking my cow to the market to sell her." The peddler smiled and said, "Why sell her? You can trade her for magic beans." Jack was curious. "Magic beans?" he asked. "Yes, these beans are special. They do magic," said the peddler. Jack was excited. He said, "Magic? That sounds great. I'll trade the cow for the beans." Jack went home and told his mother. He said, "I sold the cow, so I don't have to milk her anymore." His mother was shocked. "Oh, dear. What did you do?" she asked. Jack proudly said, "I traded her for magic beans." His mother was angry. "Magic beans? There's no such thing," she shouted. Then she threw them out of the window. Suddenly, the ground shook. A giant beanstalk grew right before their eyes. Jack was amazed. He wanted to climb it. His mother yelled, "Come back here this instant." But Jack did not listen. He climbed and climbed until he reached the top. There he found a huge castle. Inside he saw something amazing, a goose that laid golden eggs. Jack thought, "Wow, this goose is incredible." He wanted to take the goose. But just then, a giant walked in. The giant roared, "Fee-fi-fo-fum. If you took my goose, I'll eat you for lunch." Jack was scared and ran away. The giant chased him. Jack climbed down the beanstalk quickly. He thought he was safe. But the giant grabbed him. Then a huge lady giant appeared. She crossed her arms and said, "Put that boy down, will you, Fred?" The giant let Jack go. Jack's mother came outside. "What is going on here?" she asked. Jack explained everything. His mother said, "Wait! You took this boy's goose." Jack felt sad. He said, "I'm sorry," and gave the goose back to the giant. The giant smiled. "It's okay. You should have asked first." Jack grinned and asked, "Do you want to play baseball?" From that day, Jack and the giant became friends. Jack happily said one day, "If I hadn't traded that cow for magic beans, we would never have met." The giant agreed. Jack's wild adventure turned out to be a great success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.